Okay, so we're looking at chapter 4.3 and we're looking at the explicit formula, which is shown on page 238. Now if you're looking at that page, you're probably looking at it going, what is going on here? Okay, this is the formula. Patience, you'll find that once you know how to insert the numbers into the formula, it's not a hard formula to use. The formula is written a to the nth is equal to a to the first plus d times n minus 1. And each of these positions has a certain number that should go in there. The a to the nth is the term you're looking for. A to the first is the first term. D is the common difference. And this is the previous term minus 1. Okay? So, what are we looking at here? I'm sorry, it's the term minus 1. My bad. So how does that work in a real sequence? Well, let's take a look at a real sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term, the fifth term, and the sixth term. So I would like to know, using this formula, what the sixth term is. I can do that. The sixth term is the first term, which is 2, plus the common difference every time is 2, times, we're looking for the sixth term, minus 1. So let's do the math here. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. We still have this 2. 2 plus 10 is 12. The sixth term is equal to 12. Now you're probably going, okay, really? I got to use this stupid formula to figure out that I just got to put 2 more on the next term? You're right. It'd be much easier just to look at it and go plus 2. But imagine if I asked you, what's the 98th term? Or what's the 542nd term in this sequence? You don't want to spend all day going 2, 4, 6, 8. No. Just use the formula. Let's do the 98th term. Okay? So the 98th term of this sequence would be 2, the first term, plus the common difference times 98 minus 1. 2 times 98 minus 1. So that would be 97. So I'm going to go 2 times 97. So let me see, that's 14, carry the 1, 194. And plus 2. So the 98th term of this sequence would be 196. That's where the, that is where the formula comes in handy when you're dealing with those higher numbers of terms, and you don't want to spend all your time doing 2, 2, 2, 2. You don't want to do that. Use your explicit formula.